Hi guys, I'm Katie Jane Hughes, celebrity and editorial makeup artist, and I'm going to show you how to get this diffused watercolor wing using the Bounce Blur collection from bareMinerals. So this is Crimson Sunset from the Dusk Palette from the Bounce Blur collection. And I'm just bouncing it literally over the center of the lid, working my way to either side. It's really easy to apply. You can use your fingertips or a brush. With any eyeshadow look, you want to build it in sheer thin layers, and this formula really allows you to do that. And of course, as always, these formulas are clean and cruelty-free. One of my favorite things to do is just to use a clean brush. This is the Shade and Diffuse Eye, and just use this to skim around the perimeter of this beautiful crimson shade that I used. I'm just gonna apply a touch with my fingertip. It has blurring mineral pearls that create a really gorgeous soft focus finish. So I'm gonna use Harvest Moon, which is a burnt ambery color, just on the inner corner to put this really beautiful reflective gold quality, really open up the eye. So I'm gonna use Purple Twilight. It's like a gorgeous deep charcoal just on the outer corner of the eye. Create a little soft smoke. So the cool thing about this is that you can wing with them as well. So I'm just using the angled definer brush to create a really soft sort of watercolory wing. I'm using Complexion Rescue Stick in Terra 8.5 just with the Shade and Diffuse Eye brush. I really like this because it's small and allows me to be super detailed around the eyes and the nose and the mouth. Before we move on to cheek, I'm going to use the Love Every Lash Mascara. I'm just going to get this into the tips of the lashes. So I'm going to use the Bounce Blur blush in Mauve Sunrise and Pink Sky, mixed together on the smoothing face brush. So I'm just sweeping it on, bouncing it on. The most gorgeous, gorgeous blush, but it literally just looks like skin with a pearlescent finish over it. I'm gonna use the BAREPRO lipstick in Nutmeg. This is one of my favorite shades. I'm actually gonna use it with an eyeshadow brush because I really like to use brushes for their unintended purpose. And I'm using it as like a blurry kind of lip. So I'm applying it with a fluffy brush to diffuse kind of the color onto the lip. I'm gonna just contour the edges of the lip with the Gen Nude lip liner in Attitude. This is one of my favorite lip liner pencils, and I'm just gonna use this at the outer corner of the mouth to bring back the natural shadows. And that is the Diffused Watercolor Wing using the Bounce Blur collection from bareMinerals.